Aloha guys, welcome back. This is Ukulele FPV, and I know I just made a video about this, but you are going to want to see what I have found out. I got an email this morning from my contact at Gearbest informing me that most of the prices have dropped by $20 using the coupons. So first of all, I added a few things here. You can see there's a charger for $56. There are here's the OnWake V1 commanders for $290. I'm not sure the normal price on those, but if you're looking for goggles, this is a little deal. Then we have all these DJI Phantom, I guess Mavic and Spark going on here. So here's all the prices and the coupons. Make sure you look at which warehouse it is in so you don't accidentally try to buy. This is pretty good for $1,000 from the Hong Kong, or for $200 more you can get the Fly More combo. So check it out and see if there's something that you want. As for the Furibee clearance, the promotional page, they have added a few things. The flash sale is constantly changing, so if you look here, we have the GT90 for pretty cheap, and it will be going on for a few more days, it says. They added some here, which is the original price that they had with the coupon code, so now that it is a flash sale, it is cheaper because they added another coupon on top of that. And then these coupons are still there, so you can get the Stormer 220, the 125, or for 126 you can get the Nebula. And then this one is $109 for the Nebula. So look around, see what you want, and I have some other coupons here. So the Nebula for $100, it used to be $110, so that one's $10 off. The X215 Pro, they're having it at $130 instead of $150, so $20 off. I went through and highlighted these ones with what the price was before with the coupon and what it is now. And this one has a pretty decent drop as well to 120. And so just check it out. I just wanted to let you guys know about this so you can see that they are doing these sales. Instead of for 119, you can get the FBX 140 for $99. So I think it's really good. I got my first 5-inch for $100. You can get the Nebula for $100. Just get your feet wet in there. Anyway, I just wanted to quickly share that with you guys, and I hope you have a wonderful Thursday. Please subscribe to my channel. I hope to be having more content coming soon, and aloha.